Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grachova. I'm an investment advisor, and here in Russia I work with extremely rich people. And today I would like to tell you about billionaires and how they live in the normal life. So it can seem that these people don't have problems. So that it could seem that you can't think that they have problems, but it can seem that their life is so amazing, that it is not as yours, that they don't live as all other people because they have billions of like not dollars. Some of them have, but some extremely rich men and people, they have maybe millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars. And so the picture of such elite, because of series, films, books, and advertisement of brands who sell cars, yachts, and other luxury stuff. It is so funny now that I understood this stupid idea that all things that is seen on the internet, how such people live, is like advertisement of rich items. It is so funny, because in reality, people, even who have so many money, they live more normal life that it can be seen. And I understood it only now, because I didn't think about advertisement before, and I understood my thoughts about their life too. So before I started working with extremely rich clients and people who start communicating with extremely rich people, I thought about them because of advertisement and series like about elite of New York, children from private school and something like that. So it is so funny, but now we should come to the reality. And so yesterday I was invited to one private event that was related to investment property, and actually it was not so closed. So it was not so private event as there are some of them. So I know that there are some, for example, exhibitions for like oligarchs, where people only tell extremely rich people to come, so they don't give opportunity to others to come. And in this situation, there were a lot of like common people who are not so rich, and so this oligarch was not, so he shouldn't be there in reality. And so it is really funny that I sat near him. So I didn't know at all about him. He tried to communicate with me a bit, but my mood was not so amazing one, and I was a bit like cold. But it is so funny that I found the only oligarch in the whole event. My legs led me to this person, even in a situation when I didn't know at all about him. But it is not important now. the important thing is that extremely rich people can be near us. They can walk in the same places, shopping malls, communicate with common people, and they cannot look as rich as we can think about it. So they cannot have so rich watches, so rich clothes, like items that show that you have a lot of money. Also, they cannot have safety, so they cannot have people around who save their life. So it depends on the country where you live, because in some areas the level of like murders is so high that any person don't want to be without people who will save their life. But maybe in our country everything is fine, and these people don't think that they would be killed, something like that. So I know that in Europe, in USA, in some areas, people don't are not afraid of these two. And so the idea is that you cannot understand from the first view that this person has millions of dollars. Of course, you will understand it very fast if this person tells you some information about his society, about his friends, and stuff like that. So in reality, this person, even when I didn't know that he's oligarch, he didn't tell me that he is oligarch. His friend told me this, and he only told me that, oh, I have friend who own such companies, something like that. But for me it was not so important, because I got used to communicate with extremely rich people, and so my attitude to a person didn't really change because of the amount of money that he has. And it is really good, and I'm proud of myself that now my attitude to people is not so correlated with the how much money that they have. So I can be more I could want to communicate with a person more because of business if I see the potential, and that not only because of his money but because of his opportunities, something like that. But now I am able to see person, not only his money.